Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find a radio, also known as audio fuses, on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Here guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if your radio does not work. We'll explain what you need to check, even if the fuse is good, how you may be able to fix it. After that guys, okay, if you still have a problem, we'll explain where you can buy. We'll share information in the description of the video below if you need to buy replacement parts, tools. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the radio and audio fuses, now guys, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. Make sure you stay until the end. You need to check certain fuses, we'll explain about that. Some of those are for the radio system, screen, sound amplifier, all these systems work together. If you still have a problem with it, what you may need to do guys, these fuses that we'll check, pull them out for about 10-15 minutes. Plug them back in, see if that fixes the problem. Sometimes when the system resets itself, it may start working again. Where we're going to work on now. First fuse box that we need, you need to open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, is the main fuse box here. Guys, you slide the sliders to the front, lift the cover up, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them guys to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, here, okay, what we need to check now here. This is for 2012 to 2017, the facelifted version fuse box. We need to check one fuse, and that fuse is known as fuse number 19. On some models you have that one, on some you won't. It's okay, but if you have it, okay, it will be that fuse here. Now, if you have fuse box from 2008 to 2011 year model, the fuses will differ, guys, okay. The fuse box will look like this one, and here specifically we will need to check up to 2 fuses. One of them, okay, we're talking about fuse number 8, and fuse number 8 will be that 15 amp fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 9 guys, and fuse number 9 will be this fuse. On some models may have that fuse right here, okay, and you need to check after that fuse number 18. Some models may have that fuse. If you have it, it will be here on top. But don't freak out. You have two more that we need to check, and where they're located inside the car. Let me show you where, guys. We need to come to the driver's side now. Okay. I want to show you what we have here. Okay, let me get the camera. to the driver's side, you see where the steering wheel is. On the left side here you're going to have one panel when you remove it. Okay, we have a video on the channel that's called Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that will teach you where all your fuse boxes, hidden fuse boxes and hidden relays are located as well. Here specifically we need to check two fuses. One of them is fuse number 18. So you may or may not have this one again, but if you have it, it will be that second fuse right here. And the main fuse that we need to check today, guys, will be known as fuse number 59. So you wonder where, okay? If you have it, it will be right there, okay? You may need to check that fuse right here if you have one as well. What about relays? Okay, guys, specifically, you won't have relays for that function. You just have fuses known as relay fuses. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.